Hey guys, what's up? I'm going to be teaching you the beginner Java programming. We're going to just write some few lines of code, just teach you how to run your first thing in Java. Okay? First thing that you guys are going to want to do is you're going to want to get something called Eclipse. So you are going to go to Eclipse and you're going to want to download the Windows 64-bit. So once you download that, you can open it. This is pretty much what we're going to be doing, and then I can teach you guys how to do variables, which look like this. So let's start a whole new package. First of all, you're going to want to open the workspace, and you're going to want to go into a new Java project once you open the program, because you're not automatically just going to be able to write in this. So we're going to go here, and we're going to go new class. Hi YouTube. Let's name it just Hi YouTube, okay? Just for fun. Oh, sorry, those spaces. Hi YouTube. So we got Hi YouTube here. So we got this class, Hi YouTube. We're in Java programming right now, so let's write our first line of code. What the first thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna write public static void then main. What this allows you to do is it lets you write in public. You can also write private static void main, but this allows people to see your code. What you're going to do now is you're going to go brackets and you're going to write capital S string args, another two of these inside the bracket, end the bracket, and you're going to want to add this to, oh, not in there, sorry. And we're going to go outside here. We're going to go right there. So now what we're going to do is we're actually going to create a system so we can write in the console. As you can see, I wrote something down there in, right here, system.out.println, hi YouTube. But I'm going to explain that to you right now. So here this is what we're going to do. We're going to go system dot out, sorry, wait a minute, let's back that up. Capital S system dot out dot print line, sorry. We go brackets, another bracket, and a semicolon. All lines of code have to end with either a bracket or a semicolon. So now what we're going to do is we're going to run. It's not going to run anything, I hope. Terminated, which means it did not run anything. So now what we're going to do is this pretty much means it's printing out a line into the system, which we're running right now. So inside these brackets, you always have to start with quotation marks and write whatever you want. So I'm going to go, hey YouTube, and then this. Oh, it's already doing it for me. So there, we got our code right there. Now we're gonna, since we print that onto the system, now we're gonna run it. Hey YouTube. Okay, see, that's great. So now I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to do variables. So let's just create some space here. Okay, what we're gonna write down here is it's pretty much gonna look like this when we're done. Public static string a string. I'm gonna go here. It's gonna be a string, and pretty much what it's gonna do, if you write a string in here and a string equals, then it's gonna say what every a string equals. You can write this anywhere on the page, but you still have to copy out the system.out.println. So let's get into this, and we're gonna we have to start it off with public static capital string a string. So we have that now. It should look like so. Sorry. Public string a string. Oh yeah, sorry. You always have to add the semicolon after that. And see, it changes it to the A string command. So now what we're going to do is inside this little part right here, we're going to write A string. Lowercase, capital A string. You always have to write it like so. So now we're going to go up here and we're going to go right above it. Just always right above it. We're going to write A string. Then we're going to put a little equal sign. Brackets. We're going to go, oh sorry, we got to do quotations. Hey, YouTube. Put the bracket there. Everything's fixed now. As you can see, all the error messages are away, which means we wrote a proper line of code. So down here in the console, that's what we last wrote. Hey YouTube. I'm gonna write hey YouTube again, but in the variable. So now we're gonna run it. Okay, wait. A string. But A string equals hey YouTube. So let's go back and let's check here. Out print line. And here's what we have to do. If you guys kept these quotation marks, then you have to delete those. Reason being is you're not typing in a string, because that's what the computer thinks you're doing right now. But you actually want to run the variable a string. So to do this, you need to take away the quotations. Hey YouTube. Let's do something else. Let's do maybe a sentence. Hey YouTube, I'm making a video. Period. I'm gonna run that, and it will come down into the console. You can also save these by copying them and pasting them to your desktop, and you can also open and run them in the command prompt. So, yes, this is my first tutorial on how to Java code. There will be more, and go check out my other videos for more cool things. Thanks for watching.